Hey there, quick tip for your 2010 or second generation Mazda 3 with the sunroof or moonroof or whatever you want to call it. So let's say if your moonroof gets stuck open, your switch doesn't work anymore, and it starts raining, well, there's a way to close it. So you will have to remove the controls, which are right here, and I have another video explaining how to do that. But once those are out, the motor is this black box right here. Try to focus this. Okay, so there is a hex right here. So you're going to need a 4mm, and you'll probably want one with the T handle. And if your sunroof is stuck open, you're going to turn this clockwise, and it will close. I'll demonstrate. See, there you go. So in case of emergency, you'll have to get in there, and there's a manual way to do that. There's a lot of information on the forums. If this is an issue that you have recently ran into and you've done some searching, there's some false information out there, people saying there's no manual way to do this. Well, there is, and that's how you do it.